Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
Gold prices have pushed up to a fresh weekly high, continuing a bounce from support that began last week. Gold prices are working on their strongest month of performance since July of 2020, which was just before gold set its all-time high. Stocks rallied and Treasury yields fell after the head of the Federal Reserve said that the central bank could soon begin easing up on its aggressive interest rate increases aimed at taming inflation. Coinbase Wallet will no longer support the native tokens associated with Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, Ripple's XRP Ledger and Stellar, effective December the 5th. According to an update on the crypto exchange's website. The last session saw the euro gain 0.7% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 4.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The pound dollar pair gained 0.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 03:35 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. Germany's retail sales at 0700 hours GMT. The Dutch Markit Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0800 hours GMT. The UK's 30Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT. Japan's JIBUN Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.